This instrument is an Ivory Crucianelli, and the model is called Video. This is a video model. You're watching a video of the video model. There are 3 reeds in the right hand. It has a low reed, a middle reed, and a high reed. And I'll go through those 5 register switches that give us the different combinations. The left hand has 2 register switches, and I'll go through those also. Here is the low. Okay. Here's the next reed. That's the piccolo reed. The next one, that's the master switch, which is the low, the middle, and the high reed. Next, that's just the middle reed. And the top one is the organ switch, which is the low and the high. In the left hand, we have the top switch. Oh, yeah, okay, so this accordion has like a toggle system. So, if you can see right here, this little piece of plastic has little indicators that pop up. And they toggle on and off. So you can turn the top one, let's see. I suppose you'd consider them both off right now. Then I'll toggle on the top one. I'll toggle, now I'll toggle the bottom one. Now I'll toggle that off. There, that one's off. And then we'll do that. So you have different sounds based on the switches that you're toggling on and off. Bye.